To provide even greater functionality, 5 accessory lenses come with every VALO X light, 2 curing lenses and 3 diagnostic aid lenses. These lenses magnetically snap in place and are easily swappable. To attach a lens accessory to the VALO X light, position the accessory lens near the curing light lens and allow the magnet to snap the accessory lens into place over the barrier sleeve. To remove, gently pull the lens off the VALO X light. 2 of the 5 lens accessories aid the VALO X light in curing mode. The PointCure Lens focuses the curing beam into a 2.5mm aperture, ideal for point curing or tacking veneers or porcelain crowns. To be used with standard or extra power curing modes. The ProxiBall Lens is shaped to support the matrix in aiding convex proximal contact before and during partial light polymerization. To be used with standard or extra power curing modes. The remaining 3 lens accessories are used with the VALO X light in diagnostic aid mode. The TransLume Lens provides longer wavelength light to transilluminate teeth, to aid in visualization of cracks, fractures, defects, bubbles, and posts. To be used with white light diagnostic aid mode. The Interproximal Lens aids in identifying defects by illuminating the teeth and interproximal spaces for observation of shadows, anomalies, or caries, to be used with white light diagnostic aid mode. The Diffuser lens more evenly distributes light on an area. When used in black light diagnostic aid mode, it helps to detect fluorescent particles and resins for easy differentiation from natural enamel. In white light diagnostic aid mode, it provides a pure, controlled, natural light source to help determine shade or check difficult-to-see areas in the mouth. Refer to the instructions for use for general cleaning and maintenance instructions of the lenses.